I'm standing here with head coach Neil Roberts. Coach, what's it like to win on Fox Soccer Channel?
Well, it's I don't know about that, but it was a difficult game. They had a lot of emotion in the first 20 minutes. We were fortunate to withstand it. So it was a very difficult game. So we battled when we needed to, and got some opportunistic goals. So the second half, I thought we controlled things a little bit better, but the first half was definitely a very difficult game for us.
And obviously, Aaron O'Neill and Ben Barabee have had a lot of success recently. Were you glad to see a couple other guys step up?
We talked about that during the week. We've got to get other people scoring and creating problems. I thought Ryan Shea did a great job. Noxie again had another great game. So I think it was good. Ben put the goal away well. So it was some other people contributing, which is nice.
And then finally, what does the team need to do to continue the winning streak going?
We've got to keep working hard, and the guys that aren't playing got to keep fighting hard to get on the field, and we've got to keep the attitude and the positive, the work that we're doing. The kids are working very hard in training, and we're playing smart and we're battling. So, as long as we keep battling and we think we can still play better. We've got guys on our team that haven't really, hit their groove yet. So we hope that will happen soon.
All right, thanks, Coach.
Thank you.